Nagpunta kami ang grotto eh. So,
A few moments later.
wala na eh. Uwi na tayo.
Bakit?
Lakas. Dito na kami ni Sam. Din Arena. Taas dyan pala. Oh.
2 seconds earlier.
Good morning guys, Bagyong 1. Pero magbabike ride kami ni Tom. Napilit kasi to si
Ano to?
Ano, Gina ba tayo?
Gina lang to. No backing down na, nakagayak na tayo. Nakaset up na lahat.
Good morning guys. Pupunta kami ni Tom sa Phil Arena. Kahit may Bagyong 1. Tom, laban.
Laban to.
Ito kasi pamangkin ko, mapilit eh. Dapat kahapon pa to, Sunday. Ano kaya mo? Block kasi no?
A few moments later.
Bata-bata bigla katutuloy pa kami ng arena. Kung sino manalo. Pag nanalo sa arena daw kami. Pag nanalo ako, uwi na kami. Oh, sige.
Sige, game.
Oo. Pasundo.
One minute. Bilisan mo na.
Oh, hindi. Tom, baka ma... So yun guys, sa pagdesisyon na namin, bumakbak na ulit ng arena. Kasi nawala na yun. Ito lang ng bagyo. Ang lakas oh. Wala. Diyan ito. Uwi na tayo.
Bakit?
Lakas. Yan guys, tingnan nyo. Yan, lakas na ng ulan, no? Ekis to. Kanina wala namang ulan na, no? Pangin lang konti. No. Dito na kami. Papasok na Muzon. Sana ganito na lang. Kaya wala na pa. Tawid dyan. Ganito kami. Dito tayo. Check ko muna yung mapa. Pinagusan ako. Tumana Elementary School. Doon ka galing pagmisan. May shortcut doon eh, no?
Ayun, mas malapit pagpa sa Pampagay. Di na nakapit.
Malapit na. Alright. Ayun guys, malapit na kami ni Tom. Jam nga!
Ha?
Jump! Stop muna tayo, Tom. Saglit. Ay, dun banda. Di. Dun. Malapit na kami sa Phil Arena. Let's go! Saan ko kitang-kita dito ah? Ano, Tom? Laki na dyan. Lakas ng hangin. Uy! Sinikupininaan ako nun. Welcome to Phil Arena! Gado. Mapakit ba? Pwede dyan? Alright. May bagyong uwan. Pero wala palang ulan dito sa arena. Oh. Kaliwa tayo, Tom. Tara. Nakarating din kami ng Phil Arena. Oh. Picture tayo. So yan guys, nandito na kami ni Tom sa Phil Arena. May bagyong uwan pa. Pero, alright. Let's go, Tom. Alright. So, cellphone na ang aking gamit. Kalobot siguro.
Somebody told me not to look to find the woman of my kind. I don't give a damn you're talking to a man who's tired of being
200 meters at the
You don't
roundabout.
deserve
Take the
to
first
live
exit.
in cages till the last breath of life. All I know right now is that she came like thunder in the sky. I'm freaking out every night.
Release ko off.
And you'll always
Phil
remember, give me
Arena.
your love, and you'll never surrender. Give me your love, give me your love, give me your love. 'Cause you're going
Ayan
like
ito.
fire when
Saan
I'm
tayo picture, Tom? Bawal daw dyan pumasok.
we just learn it by trying. Give me your love, give me your love, give me your love.
Ha? Saan tayo, Tom? Kakain kami, may kainan daw dito, sabi ni Tom.
Maybe I seem a
Na lagi
little
na lang
crazy
kinakain.
for trying to keep an open mind.
So,
But I know the risk of losing myself by trying to fail you so many times. They all left a piece of light, but it's yours. I want to fly high.
kain na kami ni Tom.
Cause anyone with me has all the right to dream away. We'll be turning in day by day. Give me your love and you'll always remember. Give me your love and you'll never surrender. Give me your love, give me your love, give me your love. Going like fire when I'm more than lying. Give me your love, we just learn it by trying. Give me your love, give me your love.
Phil Arena. Phil Arena. Okay, kain mo na kami ng Tom. Food trip mo na.
I'm asking your permission, then I can do whatever I want if you will be just one. I'm asking your permission,
Phil Arena.
then I can do whatever I
In 300 meters, make a U-turn.
Just